Welcome. Thanks for stopping by. Today I'll be making chicken salad. It's Friday. I want to get in and I want to get out of the kitchen. Let's get started. Okay, here I have a small breast, skinless, and I'm just going to kind of cut that in half. That's just to make less seem like more, is all. I'm on. That's it. Make it go a little further. Let me wash my hands right quick. Right quick. And I have my pan. I'm going to turn it on so it can be nice and ready. I have a little bit of oil in there, as you can see. And all I'm going to do with this here chicken, I'm going to add a little onion powder. Garlic powder. Pepper. Well, here's the salt. I'm going to use salt as well, but just a little. And pepper. We're going to turn that over and do the same thing. A little salt. Pepper. Onion powder. And garlic powder. And I'm just going to let this pan get a little bit hotter, and we're going to add our chicken in. Okay, it's nice and hot. And now I'm going to turn it down because I don't want to cook it so fast that it's really tough. I'm going to turn it down and let it cook a little slower. I'm going to put the top over it, keep some of that moisture in. Add some celery and some onions that I'm going to chop up. I don't like this knife, y'all. This is my favorite right here. So much easier to handle, I guess that's why. But I don't like big chunks of veggies. Not when they're raw. I like to cut them up pretty fine. I'm not going to need that much because I'm making a small amount. Yeah, slice them. I'm just gonna cut them fine. That's it for those. Some onion. Onion. The same thing. I like them thin. I don't like big chunks. break them up. Break them apart. Let me see what's going on with this chicken over here. Isn't that pretty? I'm going to turn it over again. I'm going to add a little bit of, let's see, before I prepare it. Hot water. And you be careful if you do this. We don't know how this might behave. But there we go. That wasn't so bad. And I did that because, like I said, I want my chicken to stay moist. I don't want it to get dry. So, just added a little water to add the steam and the moisture. Okay. And if you like, you can add eggs. I don't really care for eggs in my chicken salad, but at the same time, I've had it with eggs, and it's not bad at all. So I'm going to leave that one up to you if you decide to make it. I hope you do, though. Give it a try. Where's my glass? There we go. No air blowing. Oops, I thought I had it paused, but I didn't. It's okay. So I have already cooked my pasta. And it's gemelli pasta, and I really like these. These taste really good, and they're just the right size and everything. The celery and onions that we've just chopped. I'm adding in some relish. This is sweet relish. A little more. And this, I have some everything bagel seasoning. It's delicious. You can try it on a little bit of everything, on your meats and your salads. It's got tons of flavor in it. And I think you may like it. And you can use some parsley, some dry parsley, or some chives. I'm going to use some parsley, some dry parsley. I also have a piece of red bell pepper, just a little piece. Chop this up really quickly. making them nice and small. One more time across. And in we go. And so now, I'm going to take this chicken, put it on this cutting board. It's pretty hot though, let me see. So I can do it. You're going to let it sit for about 5 minutes. Okay, that's been 5 minutes, and I did that so that we can keep some of the juices. We don't want them to run out and then our chicken be dry. It's really juicy. I don't know if you can see it. Let you see. See how juicy it is. So that's why you let your meat sit after you cook it. Let it sit for 5 or 10 minutes and reserve those juices. And this one's for me. Just cutting them in little bite-sized pieces. And in we go. You know what, I'm going to change bowls because I want to be able to mix it really well. I'm going to add in some mayo. I'm running low. Mix, turn, mix. And you know, after you finish this, it's always better to let it marinate, so all your flavors can marry together, and it'll taste better. I mean, it'll taste good right now, but you want it to taste as good as it can taste. And that'll only happen when you give it time. Set it aside. If you like it warm, if you like it cold, of course, put it in the fridge. Let me see. Let me taste this. Let me taste it. That is good. In an hour, it's going to be fabulous. Let me take a little bit out anyway. I'm going to taste it with a cracker. I have some crackers and some thin Cheez-Its. I have a little bit. Have myself a little. I'm going to try with one of these. The Cheez-Its. It's the favorite part after you cook, you know. I was going to add some cheese in. And maybe I'll just leave it to the person that's eating to add the cheese on the top. But, I'm going to show you. I'm going to stop advertising for these people. These are so good. So get you some and make you some. Show you one more time. There you go. Hey, thank you for watching. And remember to pray. Then pray some more. Pray for her. Pray for him. Pray for you. Pray for them. Pray for us. Don't stop praying. Pray. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe and tap that bell if you haven't. And if you have, thank you. Share with friends and family. And comment. I would love to hear from you. And until next time, be well, eat well, stay safe, and stay blessed. Bloop. I love you. I really do. Later.